Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem if the Parlor website is not working. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Parlor website from your web browser, but it doesn't seem to work, even if your internet connection is working just fine, then in order to solve this issue, you will simply need to use the application. So in order to use this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply search for Parlor. Once you find the application, tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Parlor application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And then you can continue signing in to your account. And now you will be able to use Parlor even when the website is not working. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to solve the issue of the Parlor website not working. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.